Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the pre-market outlook session for the date of 6th November 2025. As per our prediction in the recent ended session that was on Tuesday, 4th of November, has closed below the important or a significant level we have been discussing, that was 25,711. That should not be get broken, as like we have already discussed. Even from the 15 minutes to any time frame of 1 hour or for more than 1 hour also. So it has closed below on daily basis the level of 25,711, which may be triggering the further way for short sellers or short builders. So the short building kind of trading decisions can be focused from here on. Only one thing is left, that is the consecutive close should be needed as per our concept 2 days in a row. So as per that, if it is closing the index below 25,711 in terms of Nifty 50 for today also, we can consider that the confirmation from the market side given like. After that, we can take the decision for building shorts by utilizing any particularly bounces happening to make the positions attractive or cheaper. Otherwise, the high risk traders or risk appetite traders may immediately after getting the confirmation by closing below 25,700 consecutively 2 days, including today. So for that, one can expect the downside of 25,500 as an interim one, but 25,365 would be expected to reach within 1 or 2 sessions. As we have discussed this also, about a 1 to 1.5% of movement may be expected in a single day, or otherwise if it is getting very slow momentum kind of behavior means it may be postponed to the next 1 day, like as already the market somewhat a 50% of the valuation we have discussed has already happened. That was almost 0.7% of low side already created. The left 0.7 or 0.1, okay, or otherwise totally a whole sum of another 1% of downside also can be seen, provided the confirmation by closing below the stipulated point happened today. So that is what the observation based on the recent session it has behaved, and through that way we can adopt our strategy how to approach the Nifty, what are the levels to be followed. That was the discussion we have made till now, and on the preview basis for the day how it is going to act like, and what are the sectors will be moving along with the stocks to be concentrated will be discussed now. The opening trend would be expected on a flat but cautious way. Despite there are favorable or a positive cues maximum we can see from the core global indices. After opening in that manner, we can see the Nifty turning into consolidating with a sideways bias with more hesitancy while it is trying to move up. Since it has already signaled by closing below the important point, any bounce can be seen as a selling opportunity, and from there one can see the weightage of selling positions can be increased, and through that way the attempt for closing again second day in a row below the level of 25,711 may be expected in today's trade. So in that manner, for the day, the probability for the index oscillating between 25,000 500 as a bottom and 25,700 as a resistance point for the major portion of the day. In case either side of this range is getting broken, means we can see on the lower side 25,365 would be the next strong support one can see. Or if it is breaking the initial range high, means then the next one can be focused towards reaching 25,850 for the day. And from the positional aspect, we should actually keep in mind that unless otherwise the Nifty is decisively breaking and closing above the level of 26,200 or in a strong manner passing through the 26,300 level, either one should be happening, and then only we can see the positional based confirmation for the continuation of the new leg of rally can be expected. Until then, the rally maybe get paused and the range bound actions between 25,500 to 26,000 mark can be expected to rule the market. And as long as the October 15th high of 25,365 and the low of 25,159 actually. As long as these levels are protected or the Nifty trading above these levels, means nothing to worry about the positional based trend. Since till now it has been maintaining the positive trend as long as it is maintaining these 15th of October levels. Once the high of 15th of October gets broken, where one can get the signal of the trend may be getting downward signal or a downward indications for reaching the another low or so. So unless otherwise it is getting broken, nothing to think of any downward corrective based phase that is prolongedly happen on Nifty like. From the sectors front, today the core sectors with the news and technical behavior, we can focus on automobile, metal, IT, public sector enterprises, financial services, pharmaceuticals, bank. So these are the sectors one can focus on. On the stocks front, the day traders can focus in the stocks like State Bank of India, Adani Enterprises, Interglobe Aviation, Sun Pharmaceuticals, Aurobindo Pharma, Gresham Industries, Britannia Industries, Indian Hotels, Berger Paints, Escorts Kubota, Tube Investments of India, Keynes Technology, Gordon Reed Shipbuilders, and Suzlon. Suzlon was one of our favorite pick for a long-term one, and which have been recommended for over 100% of upside potential. Since then, it has been rising, and with the good news that over 5 times or a 5-fold of net profit increase for the company, the stock price will be enjoying the up moment in coming days, including today. So that can be also in focus. For the September quarterly results, today we can see the stocks include LIC of India, Cholamandalam Investment and Finance, Apollo Hospitals, ABB India, Bajaj Housing, Godrej Properties Limited, Cummins India, MCX India, Lupin, Mankind Pharma, NHPC, United Phosphorus Limited, and GlaxoSmithKline. So these are all the core companies which are releasing their quarterly earnings for the September ended one. So that's it from today's pre-market discussion. We wish everyone to have a successful trading day, which is possible only by keeping stop loss on every trade. Yes, of course, we are strictly advising to keep a robust stop loss strategy for all your trading position. Thank you for participating in today's session. We'll meet again tomorrow's one. Bye-bye.